Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send video as a snap on Snapchat without LMK. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go to App Store and search for OVF editor. I already downloaded this software, so I have to just tap on open. After that, we have to tap on photo or video and select any video that we want to send as a picture. Now tap on choose. This is the video. If you want to edit this video, if you want to type any wording here, if you want to write down anything, now tap send. Here we have to select the contact that you want to send this video as a picture. I'm selecting this person. Now tap send. The video is delivered. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to send video as a snap on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.